This is the weekly chart of Bitcoin. If you'll notice, binrake natin yung 52K. Yun pala yung gusto niyang gawin. Kasi last week gusto ko mag-trade lang siya above continuously. So hopefully masustain to, but this is still early. Where's the next resistance? Around 60 na Itong area na po na to And medyo manipis na rin yung volume dito. Alright, if you'll notice, ang konti lang ng candles dyan. So, probably next na natin yung near all-time high. 65 muna, yung area na yan. I will not be surprised if we'll be hitting this sooner than later. Ngayon, ang tanong, can we break the 65K level before the halvening? Ay, hindi ko rin alam. Tignan natin. Based on charts, based on experience, yung 65K level, 65 to 69K level, ito po, no? Okay, weekly chart po ito, resistance yan. Ayan pong level na yan. Area na to, ang tawag nila dito, yung mga magagaling mag-smart money. Kukuha nila yan, yung tangkad nitong green na to, yung last green candle, weekly chart, no? This is around 63 to 68 area. Okay, plus minus. So, pagdating sa area na yan, expect selling pressure pag umabot tayo dyan sa area na yan. If we clear muna yung itong 658 sa weekly chart, okay, pag na-clear natin yan, expect mo dito, marami magte-take profit. From there, let's see.